In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GST rate in Zoho Books. This easy-to-follow guide will help you navigate the settings to ensure your tax configurations are just right for your business needs. To get started, open up your web browser and go directly to Zoho Books. If you're not already familiar with Zoho Books, it's a fantastic accounting software that helps streamline your bookkeeping processes, especially when it comes to managing your taxes, which is what we'll focus on today. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, you'll want to direct your attention to the Settings option. It's usually located at the upper right side of your screen, easy to spot with its gear icon. Clicking on Settings will present you with a variety of options to configure your account. Now look for the Taxes section. This section is crucial because it holds all your current tax setups and allows you to create and manage different tax rates and rules as needed. In the Taxes section, you will see a list of your existing tax rates, if you have any, and a detailed layout for tax preferences. Here, we're interested in creating a new tax, specifically a goods and services tax or GST. To do this, you'll want to find the option labeled New Tax. It's usually prominently displayed to make it easy to expand your tax configurations. Click on New Tax to begin creating your GST. Now, when creating a new tax, you'll typically be prompted to enter various details about the tax rate. This may include a name for your tax, like GST, and the specific tax rate you want to apply. Additionally, there might be other fields asking for more details, like the description or a code that aligns with your accounting policies. It's a smart practice to precisely fill in all the details to avoid any confusion later on. After completing the necessary fields, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Ensuring everything is accurate before saving is important because it ensures compliance and simplifies your reports and invoices. If everything looks correct, you can go ahead and save your new GST configuration. Once you hit save, the new GST rate will be added to your list of tax rates and applied where applicable in your transactions. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive look at how to navigate Zoho Books to add a new GST rate. By following these steps, you've set up your GST properly, which will facilitate accurate bookkeeping and ensure you stay in compliance with tax regulations. If you ever need to alter the rate or add more taxes, you can always revisit the Taxes section in Settings. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using Zoho Books efficiently.